In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Slack. If you've been experiencing slow performance or glitches, clearing your cache might just be what you need to get things running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the Slack website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Sign In, waiting for your click. This is your gateway to accessing the full suite of Slack features and the first step toward clearing that pesky cache. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be presented with a few options for how to log in. For simplicity, go ahead and choose Google. This option is quick and straightforward, provided you've linked your Slack account with your Google credentials. Simply sign in with your Google account details and you'll be redirected to your Slack workspace. Now that you're signed in, it's time to shift focus to your browser where we can tackle clearing the cache. Navigate your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll notice 3 dots lined up vertically. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu houses a number of options, but don't worry. We're only concerned with one area today. In this drop-down menu, find and click on History. You may need to click it twice to fully access your browsing history. This is where your browser keeps track of where you've been on the internet, and it's from here that we can get to the settings needed to clear that cache. Once in the History section, search for the Delete Browsing Data tab. Clicking on this will open up several options for clearing out different types of data stored by your browser. The key focus here is, of course, the cache, so make sure you're aiming to clear only what's necessary. Direct your attention to the Basic tab once you're in. The basic settings are typically the most streamlined choice for general maintenance like this. Ensuring that you're on the right tab will simplify the process without the need to wade through too many technicalities. Finally, look for the option to delete data. Clicking this is the last step, and it will delete all the cached data, effectively freeing up space and potentially resolving performance issues you've been facing with Slack. Remember, clearing your cache periodically not only helps with faster loading times, but also keeps your browsing experience smooth and efficient. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've learned how to clear your cache on Slack, ensuring a smoother user experience. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.